Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is probably one of my favorite tutorials of the season because it was just so cute. I just really liked how easy it was and how cute this came out. So I am taking Dewdrop on some of the nails, and then I am going to be taking Smoke and Hot Pepper on some of them. So you can see the middle finger, I was going to do an ombre, and I didn't want to take the silver all the way down because we're going to come in with black down there. The pointer is going to be black, and I believe the ring finger is also black. All right, taking that matte top coat because I really want a smooth surface for when we apply that foil glue and then when we apply the foils. So wiped the inhibition layer off and coming in with that foil glue, and I'm applying it one at a time, like as far as decals and the foil glue, because I don't want it to get sticky elsewhere and it just turns into a mess. So I loved these foils. I will link them below. I got them off AliExpress, but I know you can get them on Amazon. They probably are more expensive on Amazon for obvious reasons because we're close to Halloween. So what I do is I cut out the shapes for this specific foil because I wanted to place them strategically, and I'm taking that silicone tool and rubbing that foil out, and it doesn't look like foil like you would think, like shiny foil. Obviously this is not shiny foil, this is just a design foil, and I absolutely love it so much. And I had to do an all light one because I needed to add some of those black detailing with the bat, and then I added this little cupcake with the bone in it. I just loved it so much. So I'm trying not to get the silicone tool over the sticky parts. I'm just kind of doing it down the side where I've cut it out. That way, if I want to put another piece of foil there, I can without taking that stickiness off. I mean, you can always add more foil glue, but just to keep it simple, I'm just sticking to that. And there's nothing wrong with just going in with straight foil. Again, I wanted to do the cutout method so I can place it where I want it. And then of course you gotta add a ghost. I mean, look how cute he is. I don't think I got the foil glue all the way down the side, but it's fine. And then we're gonna go ahead and top coat and do a shiny top coat because obviously I hope you guys are enjoying these 13 nights of Halloween. Don't forget to pay attention in the video for that giveaway kind of secret code in there. Just saying. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.